The total number of possible isomers of COEN whole twice Cl2R. Let us first of all form its structure. Since its coordination number is 6, it will form octahedral complex. Now Cl can be placed like this, or it can be placed like this. So if we see the structure number 1, its mirror image will be superimposable. But in the case of second, the mirror image will not be superimposable. So second can shows you optical isomerism, the first cannot. Now if we see chlorine, chlorine are maximum distance apart in the first case, so it is trans. Whereas in the second case it is near to each other, it is cis. Hence the total number of isomers will be 3. 2 will be geometrical isomers, cis and trans, and again cis will show you optical isomerism, dextro and levo. In all there will be 3, 1 trans, other cis dextro and cis levo. Which of the following metal ion will always form outer orbital complex? By outer orbital complex we mean NS, NP and ND orbitals are involved in hybridization. In case N-1D, NS and NP orbitals are involved in hybridization, that is inner orbital complex. Outer orbital complex will be possible when all the d orbitals of the inner energy level are either half filled or fully filled. So if we take these examples, out of these cobalt has atomic number 27, iron 26, nickel 28, chromium 24. So the electronic configuration of chromium 3 plus will be 3d3. So even if whatever may be the ligand, their 2d orbital will remain vacant, so it will form inner orbital complex. Cobalt, cobalt 3 plus, it has lost 3 electrons, so its configuration will be 3d5. Actually cobalt has got the atomic number 27, so the configuration is 3d7 4s2. Okay, 3d7 4s2, so it's 3d6, so all the d orbital will have at least 1 electron each. Then even in the case of iron, the d orbitals may have a vacant d orbital, but that will depend upon the nature of the ligand. So it's some complexes will be outer, some will be inner. But in the case of nickel, 3d8, all the d orbitals will be filled, and for the formation of a complex we require a vacant orbital. Hence the answer will be nickel only. In which of the following complex effective atomic number is 36? Effective atomic number is equal to atomic number minus oxidation state plus 2 into coordination number.